It's Friday night and we are back on the boat. It's going to be a great night. We have DJs, we have dancers, we have drinks, and we have a great time.
All of my friends here. I have the good atmosphere. I do have Ukrainian songs here, so I do love it. The most exciting was the Statue of Liberty. I like it so much. This is my second time here, so I love it.
The song that they play is like our song, and I know every single one, so that's why I'm just singing them non-stop, and my friends oh my god, you know all of them, and I'm like, yeah.
I mean, they're really good people that you have an opportunity to meet here, hardworking, friendly, and there's an artist named Runa who has a beautiful song called Lubov, and I came here to watch that. With this beautiful backdrop of Manhattan.
I'm meeting new people all the time here. I love this place. They do it all the time, different scenarios. It's a gorgeous place.
I love that we added a lot of workshops right now. And so people can find something interesting for them, such, art pieces, clothes, beautiful food, Ukrainian food. I enjoy it, I like it, and I love it.
I just can't explain how it's feeling to be here, so if you've never been, you should be here and feel it.
I definitely recommend for future, residents and future people to come and actually feel it themselves, because they can't feel it on the Instagram page, they can't feel it on the phone, but they actually gotta come here and feel it here.